What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Silver the Hedgehog. Let's begin today's lesson on the bottom center of our page and draw an oval for the nose. We're going to start at the very top of the middle, come down and then up. Let's add a small circle on the top for the highlight, and then we'll fill the bottom of the nose in black. Now let's go to the side of the nose. We're going to curve this out and then down across the top of the muzzle. On the left side, we're going to step up to create a fold. We're going to go out and then up towards the cheeks. Now I want to round out the cheek and then pull that back in. Let's close off the bottom with another curve. Now over on the bottom right side, we're going to add the mouth. We're going to go up and then out and add a bracket on the end. Now just up above the nose, we're going to add a curve for the brow. We're going to come down and then up. Now on the left side, we're going to bend this up and then out. Let's go back to the center and draw a short line going up to separate the brow. Now from the top, we're just going to bend the eye, coming down and then in on top of the cheeks. And we'll add a trim along the outside. We're going to step in from that point, and it's out and then down. And we'll fill that trim in black. Let's pull the iris and pupil towards the inside. So on the left, we're going to draw an oval. We're going to come down and then tuck that up underneath. And do the same thing on the right side. Let's draw a smaller half oval in the center and fill that in black. Now the brow is going to blend into the first set of spikes. So let's start on the left. We're going to go out, come down, and then bend that up towards the edge of our page. And then do the exact same thing on the right side. Now from the end, we're going to bend this in and up, and then come down. Go across and up, and then bend that down. Now let's go back to the cheeks. We're going to add a fold, going out and up across the side of the head. Now we'll add a set of spikes coming down. So let's start on the left side. Then it's out and all the way down towards the bottom. And we're going to tuck this back up underneath the cheek, going up and then in. Now I want to place the ears in behind that first spike. So we're going to step over, bend the ear going up and then out on both sides. Then the ear going out and then down in behind. Now let's trace the ears along the inside. Now we're drawing that second set of spikes. From the base of the ear on the outside, we're going to bend this out and then up towards the top. Now from the top, we're going to bend this in and then down in the middle. We're going to leave a large gap in the center. And we're going to draw on that center spike, starting back on the left. We're going to go out, round this out, and pull that up towards the middle. Do the same thing on the right side. Now I want to go back and enhance the brow with two curves across the top. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Silver the Hedgehog. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.